Is your blow dryer damaging your hearing? Hello friends, I'm Dr. Maria Morrison. I'm an audiologist, a tinnitus specialist, and I'm your expert in hearing healthcare. I recently had the pleasure of visiting the JW Marriott in Anaheim, which is a lovely resort. If you ever have a chance, you should definitely check it out. The blow dryer was a little loud. So on our first morning, I thought maybe my ears were just really tired. It was a long day of traveling and I thought I was just exhausted. And so when I went to use the blow dryer and noticed it was pretty loud, I just threw in my earplugs because yes, I'm an audiologist. I travel with earplugs to protect my hearing. So put my earplugs in, did my hair, no big deal. The second day I was like, it still seems loud. So of course, I had to measure how loud it was, and you wouldn't believe, check this out. So this is unusual. Most hair dryers do not get this loud. And so if you have a hair dryer, download the Decibels X app, go ahead and just kind of measure it and make sure that it's not damaging your hearing. Because we know that when you're exposed to loud sounds for a certain period of time, it can impact or damage your hearing long term. So please be safe out there, especially this 4th of July. Wear your hearing protection. Okay, bye friends.